Hi guys. So in this section we will discuss about order list and unordered list. So to define unordered list we use tag ul. For order list each tag is ol, and inside li is nothing but list item, which is the actual list item will be there. So I define a body tag here till body dot is this. So inside body tag I am putting a ul tag, and inside ul tag I just define some item, mango, grapes and all this thing. And in order list also I define same similar thing. Now you see the what is the difference. So just go, and this is open this web page. So see, uh, so unordered list provide the bullets, and order list provide the numbers. Only this is the difference. So later we use css and everything and like customize all this thing, okay, but right now this is the concept. Thank you.